I've been brought back from the dead to speak with you. I've been brought back to deliver this message of hope to you. I've been resurrected because I believed that porn and masturbation was going to kill me. I couldn't get out. I couldn't find a way to exit that trap. I literally told myself, okay, this thing is going to kill me, and I have accepted because obviously I cannot get out. Well, that was the point when the universe stepped in and brought me out successfully. And it's been my mission to come back to share this story with you guys around the world. Because I remember the anguish. I remember the pain. I remember the many nights I cried in my car, in my bed. I remember the pain. So I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man. You are a distinguished man. You are a king because you have accepted to go on the journey of semen retention.
Today, I want to talk to you about your unfair advantage, which is your competitive edge in the world as a man who has found semen retention. But first, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because there is useful information here about successful porn recovery and semen retention. So subscribe, it will do you good. Let's talk about your unfair advantage. First, what is an unfair advantage? An unfair advantage is an ability that you have that other people around you may not have. It is a skill that you possess, that you have refined and perfected. It is something that you have found that you cherish and other men have not found. It is a position that you have that gives you power that other men and other people who don't have that position don't have. That is called an unfair advantage. And an unfair advantage gives you a competitive edge. I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man. You are a distinguished man. You are a king because you have accepted to go on the journey of semen retention.
Buddha said, if you have only heard of awakening or enlightenment, you are already halfway through awakening, because the way the universe operates is that if you only hear of something, you have attracted it, your time has come. It is for you to grab. It is for you to wake up and realize, no, that wasn't a coincidence. I didn't just happen to hear of semen retention. Because semen retention, let me break it down for you, my brother. Semen retention is life force retention. It is empowerment retention. It is joy retention. It is strength retention. It is intelligence retention. It is wisdom retention. It is health retention. We see, when we say semen retention, you may never make the correlation that what you are really retaining is your life force. I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man. You are a distinguished man. You are a king because you have accepted
your intelligence, your money maker, your magnetism, your enthusiasm, your power of decision, your power of choice. My brother, that's an unfair advantage. Why? Because every man out there is mostly a male, not so much a man. A male is going to do what a male has been programmed to do. The evolutionary impulse is that every male is going to give out his semen to help create another human being or another species of the same kind, to push evolution further, to push the race further. But you have heard of semen retention. God has come to you, and now you understand, if you hold this power, you will awaken. You will see the life behind life. You will hear with the ears behind your ears. You will see with the eyes behind your eyes. You will be a man of power. People will want to draw near to you. People will seek your advice. People will want to be in your presence because you're such a joyful man to be around. There's something about him. And as such, you will become a leader of your community. You will become a man of inspiration. You will become a man of vision. So therefore, people will seek your advice. They will seek your clarity, because they will be like, this brother man here knows what he's talking about. This brother man here is leading people, and I want to be led by him. That's an unfair advantage. That puts you in a position over 99% of men, which means you belong to a minority of men. I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man. You are a distinguished man. You are a king because you have accepted to go on the journey of semen retention.
It is a minority, because at any given time, one of the best things a man can do to feel great is to bust a nut. And you have decided not to bust a nut, which means you have decided to choose the life of the mind, the life of the spirit, the life of wisdom, the life of God. By keeping your semen, you have entered the ranks of God, the ranks of legends, the ranks of successful men. Because, brother man, listen, every successful man out there somehow is practicing semen retention. He may not be keeping it forever. He may be releasing it maybe every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every quarter. But listen to me. If every man you see on television, if every successful man you see around the places was not practicing semen retention, so in one way or another, he would be looking like you, or like I used to look: pale, distant, out of it, lethargic, broken, confused. But some of the successful men that you watch out in the places, they don't look confused to you, right? They look dynamic, they look magnetic, they look enthusiastic, they look powerful. My friend, even if a man were to be eating healthily and well every day, if he is having sex or fapping and wasting his semen every day, he would still lose power. So once you hear of semen retention and you have accepted the call, you automatically enter the rank of successful men. You automatically enter the rank of legends. Oh, yes. You automatically enter the ranks of gods. The gods are with the man who practices semen retention, because such man has seen the light and he has opened his heart to let the light in. Such man has extended his hands to grasp the scepter of power that's been extended to him. I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man.
You are a man of power.
You are a distinguished man. You are a king
A distinguished man.
because you have accepted to go on the journey of semen retention.
Semen retention is the scepter of power that you've been looking for. I know you've been looking for personal power. You've been looking for joy. You've been looking for this thing that would make you feel elevated, that would make you feel the zest of life. Well, brother man, semen retention is that thing. So really, what you've been looking for all your life has been inside of you. What you've been looking for all your life is you. You've been looking for yourself. You've been looking for your semen. You've been looking for you, my brother. So today, awaken to the fact you have an unfair advantage. I've been resurrected to come back to share this good word with you.
You are a great man. You are a distinguished man. You are a king because you have accepted to go on the journey of semen retention.
You can choose to go back to be part of the 99%, or you can choose to take the path you can choose to travel the least traveled path. That is the path of semen retention, the path of God, the path of legends, the path of successful men. The choice is yours, but I'm not gonna leave it up to you to choose entirely. I am urging you, I am summoning you to choose and continue semen retention. You want to enter the rank of legends. You want to enter the rank of successful men. You want to make this thing a lifestyle. You want to make this thing your new life. Not for 1 week, not for 2 weeks. This is who you have become because it's for you. It has come to you because it has your name on it, brother man. This is no joke. So, extend your arms, open your hands, and accept this offer. Grab the scepter of power, which is semen retention. Namaste.